Well, we got Brad here, right?
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing. And well, as you can see, my interior is partially clean now. It needs another power washing, but Friday I power washed out the whole inside of the van. Looks like it needs another job done to it, but I'll do that next week. And he's gonna drive it out of here and down, back to the building.
Hopefully.
Starts right up.
Well,
you have to put a little gas on once in a while. Careful, the wires hanging down underneath too. Just wait a sec, I'll shut that door. Oh, should be getting gas.
Well, she'll get gas. She'll get a shitload of gas.
Okay, I'll get down the hill and you go down, okay?
Okay.
Well, the van's back from the hill. It's out, it's dry inside, and it's ready to go for the weekend. Need to remount this, and then I'm gonna go across with black spray paint and spray all the plywood.
What the fuck did you just say? That ain't one redneck line sounds good. What do you think I said?
Re-spray the interior after, but have to do that another week because it's not enough water if I do it. So I'll show you as I work on it what happens, and well, we'll see what I get done now that it's dry inside the van. Okay, so it's a warm day out here. Now I gotta do the test. Does the air still work? It should. He topped it up, but let's go. Both of them do. And where are the controls? AC, max. Oh, that's already cold. Sweet. That is nice. That's good air conditioning. Nice. That's gonna be good in the summertime. Even that air conditioner works. I just gotta adjust the angle of it.
Dave?
Well, it's Sunday now. About 7:30. This van has been almost done, modified. Last minute add-on, I put on a push bar. Next thing, police flasher lights as the front lights, the way they flash. I painted the plywood black. Back here, it's a Yo Voyager now, 4-wheel drive. I started making, almost finished the sub box. And in the speaker box, I have one speaker already. There's going to be an amp going between there tonight, and speaker on each corner up there. Put the curtains up. Redneck tiebacks, 2 drywall screws, and a zip tie going across them. Power washed out the inside on Friday. Friday night. And I've got everything wired up inside. Just gotta get these LED lights in the dashboard, which I don't really want to do yet. Because I'm undecided on where they're going in the dash and how they're being laid out. So that's the undecided part. Out of this. Look in there, you just put a bolt through the bumper and it's a bush bar now. To protect that right there. Air conditioning still works in this. Want to maintain that. So that's all I've done so far. It's coming together and it's pretty much done now, so yeah, that's about it right now. I'll show you what I do next. So it's time to make this vehicle more farm worthy. As you can see, right now it has a stock muffler. Time for that to go. This is what it sounds like right now. That's a leaky muffler. And now, that's gonna change massively. And now here it is, non-stock. We got a Flowmaster muffler on here. Can you hold that? Sounds a bit better. Now we gotta weld that pipe on and the muffler on, and then it'll be ready. Time for another modification. There's the cat. It's coming off. It isn't loud enough yet.
Well, at least you're bored with a smile. At least you're bored with...
Okay, so one problem here. Cut off the catalytic converter, but now right there, the exhaust manifold and the exhaust pipe fell off. Well, the pipe fell off the exhaust manifold, so the one bolt was missing, so it just flopped off of there basically. So Rick's gonna be welding it back up, and then we'll try that performance muffler again. Okay, so we've got the cat off, we've got all the pipe welded back up, and now the performance muffler's on. Let's try this.
Here we go.
That sounds way better.
Doesn't change the fact it's still a piece of shit.
Makes it sound less of one though.
I don't like it.